Hello class! I'm your teacher Judy and I'm your math teacher for today. So, you may now stand up for our opening prayer.
Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here, ever this day be at my side to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen.
Amen. Good morning class!
Morning, teacher!
Wow, it's nice meeting you again. So, you may now take your seat. How's your day class?
It's good, Mom.
It's nice to hear that. So, what is our daily agenda?
Checking attendance.
Yes, checking attendance. So once you call your name, say present. Okay, so first, Adele Ramos.
Present.
Okay, very good. Jomar De La Cruz.
Present.
All right. Lauren Calma.
Present, Mom.
Very good. Liza Salazar.
Present.
And Angeline S. Tigoy.
Mom, present.
Very good. No one is absent for today. So, before we proceed to our next lesson, we will be having a simple activity. So, in our screen, we have some basic shapes. And all you need to do is, can you create a new figure out of these basic shapes?
Yes, Mom.
Alright, so I will give you 5 minutes to finish your work. So are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Very good, so your timer starts now. Time's up! Class, what figure have you made? Anyone? Yes, Adele?
House, Mom.
A house, very good. A house from a square and
Triangle.
very good. What about others? Yes, Lauren?
A truck.
Very good. A truck. That's nice. So, a truck from a square, rectangle, and semicircle. Very good, class. So, as you can see, class, that combining two or more basic shapes will help you to create a new figures. And those new figures that you create is what we call a composite figures. And that is our topic for today. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss on how to find the area of composite figures. First, let's define what is an area. The area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. The area, if this the number of a square units inside a figure. Like for example, the blue color is the area. And to know about on how to find this area, first, you need to know the formulas for finding the area of basic shapes. Let's have first a square. Given a square having the size of 14 centimeter. As you can see, every size of a square has same measures. So what is the formula on how to find the area of a square? Okay, so we have area is equal to side times side. Now, let's substitute the given values. So we have 14 centimeters times 14 centimeters is equal to 196 square centimeters. Therefore, the area of this square is 196 square centimeters. Good job! Okay, so next we have a rectangle. A rectangle having the meters of 10 meters and 5 meters. So what is the formula on how to find the area of rectangle? Very good. We have area is equal to L times width. So L stands for length and W stands for width. Now, let's substitute the given values in the formula length times width. So we have 10 meters for our length and 5 meters for our width. So, 10 meters times 5 meters is equal to
50.
Therefore, the area of this rectangle is 50 square meters. Let's have now a triangle. A triangle having its base 12 feet and the height of 6 feet. To find the area of triangle, we are going to use the formula A is equal to 1/2 times the product of base times height. Or we can use the base and height divided by 2. Now, let's substitute the given values. Our base is 12 feet and our height is 6 feet divided by 2. First, let's multiply 12 feet times 6 feet is equal to 72 squared feet over 2. And now, 72 divided by 2, that will be 36 squared feet. Therefore, the area of this triangle is equal to 36 squared feet. Good job, class! How about the area of a circle? In this example, we have a circle having its radius is 3 cm. So to find the area, our formula is pi r squared. R stands for the radius. When we say radius, it is the half of the diameter. So we are going to use the value of pi, which is 3.14. Let us now substitute the value. So for pi, we have 3.14. And for the r squared, we have 3 cm times 3 cm because we have to multiply 3 cm by itself twice. Now, let's multiply first 3 cm times 3 cm. That will give us 9 square centimeter. And after that, you can multiply 3.14 times 9 square centimeter. So that will be answer 28.26 square centimeter. Therefore, the area is 28.26 square centimeter. Did you get it, class?
Yes, Mom.
Very good. So next, we have parallelogram. As you can see, the parallelogram having 12 feet for base and 5 feet for the height. So, to find the area, what is the formula on how to find the area of parallelogram? Do you have any idea? Great! We have area is equal to base times height. So, to find the area, let's substitute the values using our formula. Okay, so we have A or area is equal to 12 feet for our base and 5 feet for our height. Then multiply 12 feet times 5 feet, that will be, okay, Lauren, 60 square
Feet.
Okay, for the last is trapezoid. In this example, trapezoid is having 12 centimeter for the height and bases of 20 centimeter and 25 centimeter. So again, to find the area, what is the formula on how to find the area? Any idea again? Okay, for our formula, we have base 1 plus base 2 times height over 2. Okay, so to find the area, let's substitute the values using our formula. So our base 1 is 20 centimeter plus for our base 2 is 25 centimeter times our height is 12 centimeter over 2. First, let's add 20 centimeter plus 25 centimeter is equal to answer. Very good. 45 square centimeter times 12 centimeter over 2. Next, multiply 45 square centimeter times 12 centimeter. That will be answer.
540.
Very good. 540 square centimeter over 2. So to get the area, let's divide 540 square centimeter to 2 centimeter is equal to, Lauren, 270 square centimeter. So therefore, the area of trapezoid is 270 square centimeters. Very good, class. Did you get it?
Yes, Mom, we got it.
Okay. Now that we already know on how to find the area of basic shapes and their formulas, let's proceed to composite figure. What is composite figure? It is made up of simple geometric shape such as square, triangle, circle, rectangle, parallelogram, and many more. So, for example, we have this one. This is an example of a composite figure. Why? What do you think? Because it is made up of two simple geometric figures such as rectangle and a square. Very good. So let's go on our examples. So let us now find the area of composite figures below. First thing to do is to separate the figure into simpler shapes whose areas can be found. In this figure, we can separate this into two shapes, which are a square and a rectangle. And we can also separate this into, Lauren, yes, two rectangle. So now we have basic shapes. These are a square and rectangle. Now solve this. First is the square. Let's these squares having measurements of 3 centimeter as its sides. So to find the area, we are going to multiply side times side. So we have 3 centimeter times 3 centimeter. That will be 9 square centimeters. So our area for square is 9 square centimeters. So remember our area is 9 square centimeters. So next, let's find the area of rectangle. Again, our formula is area is equal to length times width. So for our length, we have 10 centimeter. And for our width, we have 4 centimeter. So let's multiply 10 centimeter times 4 centimeter. That will be 40 square centimeter. So therefore, our area in this rectangle is 40 square centimeter. So class, to find the area of this composite figure, we are going to add the area of a square and the area of a rectangle. Now, let's add their areas. 9 square centimeter plus 40 square centimeters. The answer is, okay, Clysa, 49 square centimeter. Good job. So therefore, the area of this composite figure is 49 square centimeter. Okay, our next example is here. So again, first step is to separate the figure into simpler shapes. So in this figure, we can separate this into two shapes. So which are, anyone? A square, very good, and semicircle. So now we have basic shapes. These are square and semicircle. Now, solve first the square. since this is square having measurements of 10 meters as its sides. So, to find the area, we are going to multiply. Again, what is our formula? Yes, side times side. So, we have 10 meters times 10 meters is equal to, answer. Yes, Angeline? 100 square meters. So, our area for square is 100 square meters. Next is find the area of semicircle. What is our formula again? Yes, Angeline. Very good. So the area is equal to pi r squared. So our diameter is 10 meters. So to find the radius, 10 meters divided by 2, that will be 5 meters. So our radius now is 5 meters. So what about pi? The value of pi? Yes, Jomar? Very good. So 3.14. Let's now solve. So we have 3.14 times 5 meters times 5 meters over 2. First, multiply 5 meters times 5 meters is equal to 25 square meter over 2. Next, 3.14 times 25 square meters, that will be 78.5 over 2. Then, to get the area, let's divide. That will be 39.25. So our formula for semicircle is 39.25 square meters. Very good. So again, we are going to add the areas. So 100 square meters plus 300.25 square meters is equal to, answer, 139.25 square meters. So the area of this figure is 139.25 square meters. Any question, class? Yes, Clarissa.
What about finding the area of shading parts?
Nice question. So, in identifying the shaded area, the steps for calculating the area of composite figures are the same. However, because just the shaded parts of the figures is in the given, you will use subtractions instead of addition. So, to determine the areas of the figure. For example, so find the area of the shaded parts below. So, as you can see, class, in the figure, we have two simpler shapes, such as two right angles. So, first, let's find the area of a small right angle. Our formula for triangle is
Base times height over
base
2.
times height over 2. Very good. Now, let's substitute the value using our formula. So, for our base, we have 12 centimeter, and for our height is 5 centimeter over 2. So, first, multiply 12 centimeter times 5 centimeter is equal to, what is the answer? Yes, Lauren?
60.
Very good. 60 square centimeter over 2. So, to get the area, let's divide them. So, 60 divided by 2, that will be, Adele?
30.
Very good. 30 square centimeters. So, very good, class. Next, find the area of big triangle. So, our formula is base times height over 2 again. So, let's substitute the value using our formula. So, for our base, we have 15 centimeter and height is 10 centimeters. So, over 2. So, first, multiply 15 centimeter times 10 centimeters is equal to 150 square centimeters. So, over 2. So, to get the area, let's divide them 150 divided by 2. So, that will be, Jomar, 75 square
centimeters
centimeters. So,
squared.
in here, so to find the area of shaded parts, again, we are going to subtract the areas. So 30 square centimeters minus 75 square centimeters is equal to 45 square meters. So the area of shaded parts of this figure is 45 square.
Centimeter.
Now, did you understand our lesson for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, so class, can you give some examples of composite figures that you will see in your surroundings? Okay, anyone? Yes, Angeline.
Ice cream.
Ice cream, very good, correct, because it has two geometric shapes, which are triangle and semicircle. Very good. What about others? Yes, Clysa.
Bicycle.
Bicycle, very good, very good. Okay, next, Lauren.
Window.
Window, very good. Okay, since we are done in our discussion, we will be having a quiz to make sure that you already understand our lesson for today. So, I prepared two quiz. Okay, so for your first quiz, this is the direction. So, read carefully and solve the following questions below. And write your answer on your quiz notebook. And for your second quiz is find the area of each composite figure. Write your solutions and answer on a one whole sheet of paper. Use Pi 3.40 if needed. So, I will give you 10 minutes to finish your quiz. So, your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. So, pass your paper forward. Thank you. So, as a recap, the area of figure is the number of unit squares that cover the surface of a closed figure. Next, composite figure is made up of simple geometric shapes. And to find the area of a simpler figure, we can use our formula that we discussed earlier. And for the finding areas of composite figures, first, again, we need to separate the figure. Then after that, add the areas of each figures to get the area of the figures. Okay? And last is, while in finding the shaded areas, we subtract them to get the total of area. And that is the end of our lesson for today. And I hope you have learned a lot from me. So thank you for listening and goodbye, class. Bye!